What up guys, Stanley Steen here from Team Deberoo, and today we're going to take another look inside of Visto and we're going to make it a little bit more specified. So we're inside of Visto and we're going to take a look if we can find any offers of Clickbank on Facebook, obviously. So a lot of people are affiliates with the affiliate network Clickbank, and if you are, you might want to search in Facebook what kind of offers are working and what kind of offers are allowed to run on Facebook, just to get some inspiration of what kind of offers you might want to run. So how do you do that inside of Visto? Well, we're at the homepage right now as we speak, and it's basically very simple. So you have all these filters here. And if you want to know more about how to use those filters, make sure to check out my previous videos on this channel about those filters. So basically what we want to do is we want to search on an affiliate offer. So I'm going to select affiliate offer over here. And then we want to type in a keyword. So we want to see Clickbank offers. We want to see offers that are from Clickbank that affiliate marketers are promoting on Facebook as we speak. Let's click on search, and basically we now all have all kinds of offers from Clickbank on Facebook. So the first one right here is there is one simple 3-step kissing technique any woman can use to make a man fall in love with her and only her forever. Do you know what it is? It's really quite simple and easy once you ... Interesting. Let's take a look. Let's take a closer look. How to kiss a man. Alright. This is the Facebook post. Alright, so it's really quite simple and easy once you know the trick. First you look him right in the eye, slowing down your breath. Then you reach your hands up so you're holding his face and suddenly feel his whole world. Blah blah blah. Alright? Cool. 31 reactions. Alright. Let's see if we have a landing page. We do. And it's loading up. There we go. Finally revealed. Secret technique any woman can master. Makes a man fall in love with just one kiss. So there's a VSL. And it's basically a email gather page. Quite a long lander. But it looks like it's just the offer page itself, unless we get, nope, we get to the checkout. So this is the offer page. It's some sort of direct linking. Let's see if we can get some more ads. So maybe you're not that much impressed about this ad. So you want to look for another offer, another ad that somebody is promoting. So do it yourself is a pretty big niche in Facebook ads. And right here we've got one. Genius device eliminates your power bill forever. Let's take a look. Alright, first I want to see the Facebook post. So I'm just simply clicking on the link next to Facebook post, and that takes me to Facebook. Freedom Lifestyle. A cheap, simple, do-it-yourself home generator device is about to rock your world. Are you a serious survivalist, prepper, or off-grid American? You won't want to miss this. Weird sentence, but okay, if it works, it works. As a valued patriot, we are practically giving away our easy-to-follow plan on making your own home generator, proven to be 10 times better than solar. Not only could it save your family's life during a disaster, but it will eliminate your power bill and allow you live completely off-grid. Tap the link below to watch how we are making these devices and changing lives. Alright, let's check the landing page. Right, here we are. Easy plan power. First impression of this landing page is basic. There's nothing really appealing me on reading this. So if I was browsing my Facebook and I would be interested in some sort of do-it-yourself kind of things, and I would click on it, this would not really attract me to start reading. But okay, there's a video, maybe people click on that. That should be a redirect. It is, here we are. And now we go to the actual offer. So the offer is a VSL. All right, sensitive content, okay, all right. This crazy 45-year-old geography teacher in Memphis, Tennessee, believed he could change the energy world, and somehow he did. All right, simple WordPress page, nothing too serious here. And where is the... Where's the call to action? This goes a little bit faster. Right here. Click here to buy now. All right. Weak. I feel like we can do this better. But yeah, it's seen a lot though. It's running from July 17th till July 28th is the last time that Visto saw this ad online. So it's been live for at least 15 days. All right, cool. So that's how you sort your ads in Visto with based on the affiliate network. So if you, for example, only have Clickbank as your affiliate network, then this is very useful to just filter on the affiliate network that you run with, and that way you can see all the ads that are currently noticed by Visto from your affiliate network. And the best part, I'm going to repeat it one more time, the best part about Visto is that it's free right now. So make sure to sign up with Visto as long as it's still free, to save you on some costs on SpyTool, and make sure that you're up to date about what's happening in the affiliate world, especially on Facebook. That's going to be it for today. I'll catch you next time.